Have you ever wondered how the seemingly esoteric world of data management, financial analysis, or budgeting can be simplified? Let's delve into this intriguing world, breaking down each task into digestible steps. First, let's tackle data entry. This process begins by identifying the necessary data. Once identified, this data is then input into a database or a spreadsheet. The key here is accuracy and attention to detail. Remember, garbage in, garbage out. Moving on to data collection. This is the process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion. Start by defining the data you need, then identify the sources of this data. Once these two steps are covered, you can then proceed to gather the data from the identified sources. Next, we have data conversion. This is the process of changing the format, file type, or structure of data to meet specific needs. It starts with identifying the current format and the target format. Then, using a data conversion tool or software, the data is transformed from its current format to the target format. Now, onto capital budgeting. This is the process of making long-term financial decisions. It starts with identifying potential investments or projects. The next step is to estimate the expected cash flows from these investments or projects. Once this is done, the net present value of these cash flows is calculated and compared with the cost of the investment. The goal here is to identify investments or projects where the net present value is positive. Last but not least, financial analysis. This involves evaluating businesses, projects, budgets, and other finance-related transactions to determine their performance and suitability. Begin by collecting financial data like income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. With this data in hand, calculate financial ratios and analyze trends in financial performance. The final step is to make a recommendation based on this analysis. In summary, we've covered the basics of data entry, data collection, data conversion, capital budgeting, and financial analysis. Each of these tasks, although complex, can be simplified into manageable steps. Remember, the key to success in these tasks is to be methodical, meticulous, and persistent. Now go out there and show the world what you're capable of.